Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. As you know, this video is a giveaway. So let's select the giveaway winners using a comment picker website. So as usual, I'm going to paste the YouTube videos link right here and I'm going to generate the comments right now. So I had received 21 comments. You can see that. Let's start selecting the winners. The first winner is Niveta NC at Nive Arts. So he's the first winner. Let's take a screenshot right here and send it to him. But the ad's making me a little bit angry, but even though the second winner is Symmetrix, the record label. So they are the winners and let's draw them. Friends, if you're not a winner in this giveaway, I'm so sorry for that, and don't worry about that because we are having a lot more giveaways coming soon. I'm getting a lot of response from you guys. Thank you so much for that, and if you keep on responding and supporting me like this, there are a lot more giveaways coming soon. And hope you guys understand the exact thing right here. Friends, in my first giveaway I had said that I'll be announcing giveaways for every 100 subscriber change until 2k. After that I'll be announcing giveaway monthly, so don't worry about that. If you're not a winner, keep on supporting and checking for the updates of giveaway. So thank you so much friends. This is what I could say because I don't have any other words for you. You had shown an insane love on me and my channel. So we had grown our community a lot from the past 4 months, and hopefully we could reach more heights. And friends, I totally forgot an appointment with a doctor for my mom, so I gone with her. So what, I just made this art with the time which I'm having. So this is not my best, I know that, but I given my best in that time. So hope you understand friends. And I had drawn the first picture. He is the record label at Instagram and he is an app developer, and received his picture from him in Instagram, and he had given a picture which is not so clear. I had worked so hard to get the picture drawn, and I had forgotten to ask a clear picture from him because I'm just in a urgent to go hospital, and that is my mistake because I won't ask for a clear picture if they not sent that correctly. And the second person is Nive Arts at Instagram. He's a beginner artist on Instagram, and he is also supporting our YouTube and Instagram account for a long. I didn't know him until he participated in the giveaway, and this is very random picking friends. I'm not picking anyone by my choice. You can see that on the first 50 seconds of this video. So we had came to the end of the video. Hope you guys like this. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share to your friends. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and join with my lovely YouTube family. Thanks for watching friends. Bye, and thanks for your support.